Brace for impact. Hold on tight. There's a black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy, and it's sucking us in. Stop. Don't worry. While there's a black hole at the center of our galaxy, it's not sucking us in. It has a name, and I bet you didn't even know it was there. Its name is Sagittarius A. Don't forget the asterisk. Welcome back to Hidden in the Stars, the podcast covering all things astronomy. On this episode of Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions, we're talking about the very misunderstood origin point of our galaxy, the very center of black hole known by astronomers as Sagittarius A. Sagittarius A's shadow is very vast, spanning roughly 23.5 million kilometers. In comparison, it's roughly half of Mercury's orbit, and relatively small compared to the Milky Way, which is a giant 946.1 quadrillion kilometers wide and 9.461 quadrillion kilometers thick. It has a mass of around 4.3 million times that of the Sun. In astronomy, when measuring mass, things are often measured in comparison to the Sun in things called solar masses. One solar mass is equivalent to just that, the mass, not the size nor the weight of one of our suns. Imagine that. Something 4.3 million times as massive as our Sun. Roughly 26,000 light years away from the Earth, the apparent size is so tiny that it requires extra special telescopes with specific resolution to produce images. This supermassive black hole was first captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT, in 2022, which revealed its shadow. Wait a minute. 2022? We first saw the center of our own galaxy 3 years ago? If you think that's surprising, only 5% total of space has been explored. You know what else 5% total of has been explored? Our oceans. Let that sink in. The shadow itself is about 52 micro arcseconds on the sky, quoted as roughly the size of a donut on the moon as seen from Earth, for those of you interested in the astrophysics of it. There's a few different types of black holes: stellar mass, intermediate mass, and supermassive. They're ranked on, you guessed it, their mass. It isn't clear how supermassive black holes form because there aren't stars large enough, at least near us, that could collapse into black holes this big. Remember how black holes form. When massive stars exhaust their fuel, nuclear fuel, and collapse under their own gravity, or when smaller black holes merge to become more massive black holes. Essentially, black holes are tantrums that massive stars throw when they die. They burn out, collapse, and become an existential void. Pretty awesome. The tantrum that our galaxy is throwing won't suck us in, but in approximately 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide and merge with the Andromeda galaxy, and this could change things drastically. Sagittarius A may grow, devouring all the stars in its path. The night sky will get a lot darker, but that's not for a long time to come. No need to worry just yet. Perhaps we can find a way to preserve time before the impending fate of our beautiful galaxy comes to be. Until then, thanks for joining us on our journey through the cosmos, solving mysteries, debunking myths, and proving misconceptions. Do you have any suggestions? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for new things to come here at Hidden in the Stars.